I'm going to use this piece to show cutting just because the lines are so vivid that it will show up really well in the video, I think. There's not really any rocket science to cutting it. You're just going to cut it out. I just like to use the same principle as I was given for painting advice once, which was to use the largest paintbrush you can in a situation. With cutting tools, same thing, to save your hands, use the largest cutting tool you can in a situation. So what that means is you want to start out with scissors until you get to a situation where you need to switch to an X-Acto. And what I did is on this piece, I went through and just redrew the lines with Sharpie just so that they would show up in the video. Normally it would just be pencil line. And so you can see here, when I had drawn it, I thought, you know what, I'm going to extend it a little bit just so that if I need to play with the placement a little bit, I have a little extra paper. But this little shape here in line, I could try and get in with scissors, but it would get kind of jaggedy. So actually, I guess I'll just cut this quick so you can see. So once I've reached this point, I'm going to just cut. This is much easier to cut with an X-Acto than with scissors. And when I go around a corner, I just shimmy the paper usually to get that edge. It may not be perfect, but I'll smooth it out when we emboss it. I'll put that over there. So with the scissors, you can cut it into individual shapes. These ones are so easy, it doesn't make any sense. I'm just gonna try, you know, there's no sense making extra cuts. I'll just cut it as I go. It's just cutting paper. I just pulled the video out so you could see how, as I'm cutting things out, I group them by color, and then I keep all the remnant bits over here. I'll do another post where I talk about how I sort and keep those pieces, but I don't want to put anything away or clean it up while I'm going because I might need those pieces for corrections or for doing a color sample or doing little bits that I want to add here and there.